Hello, I'm Archie Luxury and welcome to the program. And today I've got a really nice Jaeger-LeCoultre treat for you. And I was recently in Brisbane Vintage Watches and I came across Justin, and he's a huge fan of the channel. Hello, Justin. And he pulled out this beautiful Jaeger-LeCoultre piece. And this is really an absolutely amazing piece. It's a Master Compressor Extreme World Chronograph. So it's a piece which gives you world time. It gives you a date, and it also gives you a fully functioning chronograph. And I got to tell you, this is one beautiful piece that I would love to have in my collection. It's just such a cool thing. And I think it's got a power reserve as well. It's just such a cool, magnificent piece. And, you know, you look at complexity in pieces, and Jaeger-LeCoultre is right at the top there. I mean, it may not be Patek Philippe level, but my God, this is an enthusiast watch. This is somebody who knows their shit and who loves a beautiful piece of art. I mean, is this a watch or is it art? It's just such a special piece, and I just love it to bits. It's big, it's modern, it's a piece that, you know, the uninitiated would have a ceramic sub on. Well, the aficionado would have a JLC Master Compressor World Extreme Chronograph. It's just fucking cool. I'm Archie Luxury. Tell me what you think of this Jaeger-LeCoultre.